How to create Payeer account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create Payeer account. So first of all, just simply open your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for Payeer on the search bar and click on the first link that you will see on the top, and you will be landed to the Payeer's official website. And over here, in order to create the account, you just simply have to click on create account section from the middle of the screen. And now you have to enter your email address and click on create account. And now your email address will be checked and the confirmation code will be sent to this particular email address. So just simply open your email address and you can see the verification code right here. Just simply copy the code and come back to the Payeer account and paste it right here and click on create account. And you can also skip this particular step and you can continue without confirmation, but I'm going to click on create account over here. And now you have to create a password. So this is the automated password that has been created by the Payeer. So you can select as per your liking and you can also save it if you want to. And after that, just simply click on next. And now you have to enter your name, your last name and your country of origin and click on done. And now your account has been created. So as you can see that how simple it is to create Payeer account. So now your Payeer account has been created. So at the left hand side menu, you can see you have these many options. So you can explore these options as well. So this is your account number, this is the verification code, registered ID and other details, and this is the settings, and you can explore the entire Payeer account of yours simply while creating the account. So yeah, this is how simple it is to create Payeer account. So that's how you will be able to create Payeer account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.